Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching a special show, Crypto Masters. The Metaverse and NFT markets continue to decline. NFT sales were down around 60% in the third quarter of 2022 compared to the previous quarter, according to a Reuters report. Earlier this year, Meta posted its first quarterly revenue decline. Once again, Meta's financials are not inspiring much faith in its investors this quarter. So to have a better understanding of the current scenario of NFT and Metaverse market, we have invited founder and Metaverse coach of Metaverse 911, Mr. Rrahul Sethi. Welcome to 3.0 TV, sir. Sir, the falling crypto prices have hit the Metaverse and NFT trading volumes. What are your views on the same and what is the current scenario of the market?
Of course, because of the falling crypto currency and pretty much many of the exchanges holding off the business in the past, as you've seen, including, of course, a number of exchanges where there have been a lot of government scrutiny and a lot of bad press. It has taken a big hit on the crypto market per se. However, though NFTs also have been falling in the trading business, I personally believe that that's not because crypto has fallen apart. NFT is primarily one source of a collectible that continues to be of interest to many people. And while it has been a collectible for someone to sort of also buy movies and sometimes pictures and infographics and so on and so forth, NFTs are also now turning out to be a good collectible as a utility in businesses. So I think we'll wait and watch for the next 6 to 8 months, but definitely I am pretty sure that NFT markets are going to be remaining in the same pattern.
Sir, according to various reports, the Metaverse platforms such as Decentraland and Sandbox are struggling to retain users despite having multi-billion dollars worth of market caps. But these platforms deny any such claims. So what are your views on the same?
All right, so there has been quite a lot of bad press again, about Decentraland, Sandbox, and many of the other platforms which are not having the kind of users that, that should be, because some of them claim that Decentraland has got over 39 to 40 people a day. Some claims, up to 5,000 to 8,000 people. Let me clarify. So first of all, any of these metaverses are not built for people who are mid-age to the old age, because most of metaverses are built for Gen Z and Gen Alpha. That's one. In reality, just purely Decentraland has got over 56,000 plus MAUs. He's got over 1,074 smart contracts right now. This is the data that I downloaded from an authentic source, and there are over 150 odd DAO proposals, the new DAO proposals that are also in the pipeline. So if somebody says to me that, hey, Sandbox and Decentraland does not have the kind of users right now, they have, absolutely, because it's getting built. And as it continues to get built, more and more people from the Gen Z and Gen Alpha, platform ecosystem, would walk into this, because experiences also have to be made in a way. So experiences, when they grow, the people getting attracted like a honey and a bee kind of system, So this ecosystem is right now being built. It's too early for us to sit down and say, hey, which one will work and which won't work. I think we have reasonable success stories in place, including Roblox, Sandbox, Zapato, and so many other, I think there are over 50 odd metaverse platforms that I continue to track. So I think once again, it's all about timing. So wait for another, few months, and as 5G tech, tips into the hands of the Gen Z, let me tell you that most metaverses will see a rise in their occupancy rate and the overall interaction.
And along with this, the third quarter volume of top Metaverse projects has decreased by 80%. Despite this decline, sir, the interest in virtual worlds is still high. So why is that so?
All right. So absolutely, while the Decentraland and many other virtual platforms, say about 3 to 4 years back, had come into sort of hot sale kind of category, over a period of time, a number of other metaverse platforms have also come in. So with the likes of Peck World, or the PAX World, or the Mech World, and many more, many more of them also coming in from India, which are decentralized. Some of them are very centralized nature. However, when people get multiple options, there is always going to be a little dip in the sales of any per se a monopolist. Now, having said, it is a game where you will always have first mover advantage. So please understand that whether it is Roblox or Sandbox and Decentraland and many others, the ones who have taken the industry leader position to really shake them is not so easy. At the same time, let me also mention this very quickly that virtual land sale has also decreased for the fact that because of the crypto fallout. It's been a bit of a investor frenzy time. They're not sure about what they should do and where should they go. So I think there's a lot of retrospection right now being happening. So if we take today's a scenario, I would think that at any given day, virtual buying of land is a very reasonable opportunity, and I think it's just continuing to grow every single day. These are testing times for Web3 and Metaverse solutions. But having said, there are more and more enough enthusiasts and people who are gung-ho about it. So I think I'll listen to them and be a part of the community and continue to grow it.
Sir, according to you, what will be the future of NFTs and Metaverse?
Future of Metaverse is present. Present of Metaverse. The present of Metaverse is that we are right now looking at a major shift of creating experiences on many of the decentralized as well as centralized metaverses. That's one. At the same time, we're also seeing a lot of companies getting to know more about NFTs and thinking of how they can monetize their existing physical assets to a more digital, including digital, revenue line of business. So with that, the present day brand managers, the present day marketing heads, and the present day entrepreneurs are all trying to scout opportunities in the metaverse. A number of other players which are bringing the metaverses to play by making more gamified experiences and all of that stuff is only creating that ecosystem every single day stronger and stronger. We also are seeing a lot of changes in the blockchain landscape, where we are seeing more and more sustainable blockchains coming into the play. So I'm expecting that in the next few years, because it's still in a very infancy stage, but in the next few years, you can think of metaverses to be more of a alternate experience, wherein of course you will have a Web2 experience or a pure a 2D experience. But at the same time, a lot of brands will want to make sure that they're continually upgrading the 3D experience, and of course for that they will need some of the other metaverse platform to be a part of. So definitely extremely excited about this, and like I said, every single day newer and newer projects are coming along, and I think more sustainable projects will last longer. So we have to continuously track companies which are serious in building those experiences for the end customer, and truly think that there's a value creation for the end customer, and it's just not a PR stunt. So with that, I think my take will be that future is definitely bright, if not present is so bright.
All right. So thank you so much, sir, for being on 3.0 TV and sharing your views and knowledge with our viewers. It was really great having you on the show. So this was Mr. Rrahul Sethi, founder and Metaverse coach of Metaverse 911. He gave us an insight to the current scenario of the Metaverse and NFT market. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interviews. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share to our channel. And for instant updates, do press the bell icon. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.